That's why it's key to monitor the water levels. Look at that shit over there. Look at this ring. Man, that shit looks fucking sick, huh?
Eat 'em. Get him. Net?
Yeah.
Nice.
That nigga choked it, dog. That little nigga choked it, nigga.
Come on, Mike. One more.